Hello, hello, hello. Hi guys, how are you? We start. Okay. Let me know if for some reason you don't hear me. I think it should be fine. Yeah. Let's see. Okie dokie. Okay. So what we're going to do today, I have some new users working, and also I did saw some people bought Kolbo. They bought Kolbo coin for credits inside Kolbo. So that's really cool. Let's see, maybe I can even show you the actual wallet. Yeah. So check this out. This is the Kolbo Payments wallet. And you can see here from recent activity. So all of those are the tests I done with the dev wallet. But here you can see we have 3 unique buys. And some of them are quite big. So yeah, I didn't notice that. And also today someone asked me, they want to spend like around $600 on credits, and he asked me if it will be more make sense to do it with the coin. So I told them, yeah, you will get 40% off. So yeah, that's really cool that people actually used it. Yeah, so what we will do today, I have some feedbacks from power users. We're going to implement feature they asked. So it's going to be something small and cool. Because it's also going to be a short one, because Fridays here are like days off. So yeah, what we're going to do now, we're going to add in the visual DNA a new type of visual DNA for style, and maybe also for environment. So let's start. So to do that, I'm going to open the backend, which is here. What is that? It's an old task I wanted to do. Yeah, sure, do it. I'm fine with it. That's another thing. Yeah, let's just make a new one. What's going on here? It's always a little bit messy. I'm sorry. Okay, let's just create a new one. So I'm going to open a new Cloud Code terminal. I want to see you guys. Let's see how I do it. Yeah, okay. Cool. And here in the terminal, I can start talking. So yeah, I will just record to him. We need to add a new visual DNA types. We want to add visual DNA for style and visual DNA for environments. So we need to have those options. Do it in the backend and then write me a ready to pass prompt to send in the front end project to add those two new options. It's very similar to the product one. We simply have a system prompt polish for those. Cool. And now I'm going to reference the visual DNA service and the visual DNA controller. And let's start. So that's that. In the meantime, there is a few small stuff I worked on already. So there's the mood board. There is something small that I fixed right now. Let's see. My god, nothing barely moves now. I wonder if you guys see me in spaces. Okay, so yeah, so the bug we had here is then when user added more models, yeah, it did a problem. Now it's fine. So that's about that. Let's see what else. Magic Canvas, we did an update that now we can select multiple text and do marker. Well, that doesn't look good. But the colors works. I mean, I guess it makes sense. Fuck it. Cool. So that also okay. Let's hide it. Cool. So now we can go back to our visual DNA one. Okay, he's still thinking. In the meantime, another thing I know problematic. When users send text to image generation with visual DNA and preset and mood boards, it ignores it. So what we can do, I noticed a problem with the image generation controller. Whenever user attach visual DNA and mood board and preset, it ignores completely the presets or the mood boards, and it only recognizes the visual DNA. We must make sure that they all can work together. We have them working together, for example, in the image edit generation controller. Okay, and now we will reference him. The modules. And send. The Claude code became so smart, I barely even checking him already. It's crazy. Okay, another problem. Someone said that when they got to Pinterest, they could load as many images they want, and it's supposed to limit them to only 15. So let's see. Wow, you want me to open it each time? I feel like all the AIs already look the same. I swear. Okay, I did all of that just to get to the final part. Let's see now. What is with all these advertisements? Yeah, cool. So now we're checking this one. In the meantime, let's see the development we started. So here is still things. And also here is still things. And here, okay, that's actually one important. So basically, all the LLMs, Claude, ChatGPT, and so on, usually when they analyze images, they only analyze them when you send it, and then they don't care about it. So in Kolbo, we actually store the context on the side in the conversation, and then you can always talk with him, and he always use the context of all the analyzed images. It's really, really helpful. So now I'm just making sure this algorithm works also with videos and audios. Yeah, I see it didn't work. Let's see what's going on. Specify prompt. Oh, okay. Okay, and we need to fix the mood board problem. Okay, and send. Okay, so yeah, basically we're just doing few tasks in the same time. We're also making a new feature in the visual DNA. Now it could train on environments and styles. Also, we're fixing some bugs with the mood boards, and also we're improving the algorithm of the chat conversations to store context of videos and audio. I know it might be very boring and very technical, but that's actually parts of the reasons people stay in Kolbo, because we actually care about the details. For example, this whole day I worked on improving the algorithm of the motion graphics tool, and it's fucking awesome now. Like, you have no idea how much it's good. I mean, for example, look at this. Let's see if it will work fine. This posters video, it made with one prompt. Check this out. Wow, it's really laggy on my computer. That's crazy. And no one really have it beside Higgsfield. Like, the beauty of it, it's not like a simple API thing that everyone can just put. So yeah, really proud of this one. Okay, here is making the image generation. Okay. Yeah, cool. Look like everything working. So this one fixed. This one not related, or it does? Yeah, it does. Okay, fondant. Visual DNA matches. From add new else. No change needed. Fondant changes. Do the backend changes and then write me ready to pass prompt to send in the front end. Server saved. Okay, cool. That one is finished. That one finished. This one now adding style and environment. So let's start. Here it's the front end project. I can already add it. Visual DNA creation wizard. And soon it will give us the prompt. Okay, here is the prompt. Now we going here to the front end. We pass that prompt, and basically very soon we would have the ability to use style and environment reference in the visual DNA. Meaning here on the create new, we will have here two more options. That's all. Let's in the meantime check the bug with the mood board. Probably now it will be fine. Okay, only now it's running. Yeah, you can see him like running here. He actually analyzing the images. Invalid event data. Oh, it's still running. Why it's still thinking so much? Okay, finished. Let's see. Yep, cool. It worked. Yeah, look, now it works, but I feel like we're wasting tons of time on the analyzing of the images. Like when user have 15 images, we can't deep analyze all the images so long, because anyway, we don't going to have deep system prompt probably, no? It can take so much long. So maybe we should kind of optimize the image analyze. Is it possible? Yeah, like I mean, users can't fucking wait so long for this. Okay, so the rest of them here, and I supposed to see here already. Yeah, style, environment, product, character. Now we need to improve this design because it's fucking ugly. I think it will be 2-on-2 grid. Please improve the design and layout of the buttons. I think it should be 2-on-2 grid instead of 4 in a row. Give them proper space, reduce the dialog space if needed, make sure we have translation keys and so on, and everything translated properly and layout properly. Okay, so that's running. My computer barely moved. No. But wait, I'm not sure the model is able to analyze 15 images. Are you sure it's able to analyze so many images? I'm not sure the model is able to analyze so many images at once. Are you sure it's able to do it? Yeah, now it's doing the layout, you see? Tack, tack, tack. Cool. So let's do on style. Oh, that's cool. Style, downloads. Oh my god, so tired. Wow, if I don't win this competition, it will be so sad. It happened to me once already. I was in another lovable.dev competition, like a coding competition, and I didn't win. I got to the finals and I didn't win, and I'm pretty sure I was the best there. And I was so sad. You have no idea how much I was sad. So yeah, hopefully it won't happen now. Okay, saying it's able to do it. Okay, so that he trained the visual style. Apple in that style. Let's see. I'm really curious if it will work. Okay, cool. So we have here a lot of updates. Let's just push them because it's kind of working. I think it broke it. Let's see. Yeah, I did changes. And yeah, okay, cool, guys. So you know what? Let me see if that works. Oh my god. It worked. My computer barely moved, so I can't show you, but it worked. Okay, here I can show you now. So we did that Apple based on the style we trained. That's so cool. Okay, cool. So yeah, push. And push. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for joining.